All right, welcome back to this week's Bailey's build. This week, it's a little different than our normal build that we like to show or tip and trick. This week, it's all about the tools. We're doing our first unboxing with a Craftsman V20 set. Of course, I want to give a big thanks to our friends here at Ace Hardware for partnering up with us for this video. We were looking for some battery-operated tools, and Ace was to the rescue. So, let's get to it. All right, so as we crack open the box, let's see what's all in it. It's the 4-tool combo kit. Time to slice it open. All right, 3-year limited warranty comes right on the box there. It's Craftsman. And the tools involved in this kit are a 4-tool combo kit. Looks like it has an impact wrench, a drill, a circular saw, and also a light. So let's unbox it and see what we have here. All right, we'll make sure you got a good camera view there of the tools. All right, first thing up is the light. Pretty lightweight, actually. Battery tool, battery slot, of course, on the bottom. Decent construction, though, there. Front trigger. We've got our Craftsman batteries. Looks like there's 2 batteries that come in this particular kit. Okay, it's the V20 2.0 lithium battery. I believe they have a 2.0 and a 4.0 that they actually make in this series. And let's flip it around the back. Okay, so on the back side here, you'll see there is a battery indicator. That's kind of a cool tool to have. Punch the button here, and it has a 3-prong LED light meter there to give you an idea of how strong the battery is. Second battery here in that as well. All right, next up is our battery charger. Now, if you're coming from a different tool set coming over to Craftsman, that's pretty important because one of the big things that you're always looking for is, do I need to buy extra stuff? Can I just start, open the box, and use it? And so for Craftsman, coming with the batteries and a charger, it actually looks like it's a variable charger. This does the lithium-ion V12 batteries and also does the V20 batteries. This set is actually part of the V20, and so the batteries that come with this particular kit are the V20 batteries, so that's pretty cool as well. All right, we'll set this off to the side here. It was packed pretty well. Set that over there. All right, instructions. You can never go wrong with making sure you have your manuals and instructions there. Also comes with a couple of drill bits. I'm assuming these are high impact rated benches because there is a high impact wrench inside the kit as well. We'll set that off to the side. All right, here you have it. High impact wrench. Takes the same battery, of course. Feels pretty good, sturdy handle. And the weight is actually not too heavy for this. I could see having to do some long-term inputs or long-term screwing into a bench or a project or whatnot. The weight doesn't seem to be too heavy at all. Okay, and here's our drill. All right, let's see what we got here. Packaging off to the side there. All right, so the drill, also decent weight to it, fairly lightweight. Got your adjustable chuck up front here. Moves back and forth pretty good. Let's plug a battery into it. See what it feels like. Forward reverse lock on. Good deal. This will work. Okay, so this is your variable speed drill here. Comes with a LED light up front. That always comes in handy, especially when you're in some of those dark corners or pockets or awkward corners of a project. Nice to have the LED light up front there. Also up top, you can go from your drill, from your screwdriver speed essentially to your drill speed. It's got the 1-2 switch on top there for you. Yeah, 20 volt max DC. And your forward and reverse as you'll have with most of them. All in all, looks pretty cool. We'll test this out later on. And give it a whirl to see how it feels as you're actually putting it in action. We're gonna flip the battery out of that, and let's go over to the high impact wrench. Snaps into place. Okay, forward. Oh yeah. Okay, sleeve chuck on the front of that. And off we go. Okay, next up, This is the tool that I really needed and really wanted out of this set. You can never go wrong with having a cordless circular saw. They always come in handy. I've got some projects coming up in the next month that I'll be needing to do outdoors. It's nice not having to track a cable with you or pull that extension cord out. So having this feels really, really well built. It's very sturdy. It's got your safety guard on there, of course. And feels like it would work really, really well. Top handle for you. Let's slide the battery on this as well. There you go. And of course, the blade also comes with your circular saw blade as well. All right, pretty nice set here. Safety valve down. There you go. All right, we'll put the blade on here in a set. So there you have it, folks. Your circular saw, your drill, your impact wrench, and your flashlight. All in all, this is a pretty nice kit. If you follow me here on Bailey's Builds, obviously you know we do a lot of projects in and around the house, DIY projects. I think this kit would hold up really nice for you. I will get a chance to test it out here. So if you love the projects we've been doing over the last couple of weeks, take a moment, smash that like button, click subscribe, and stay up to date on what's going on here in our workshop. Until the next time, take care.